In this video, we will discuss in detail about NEET PG, clinical courses for All India Quota 2020 cutoff, and the counselling is conducted by MCC. Doctor of Medicine in Radiodiagnosis.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 3287.
For OBC, 1488.
For SC, 13203.
For ST, 25,182. Doctor of Medicine in General Medicine.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 4924.
For EWS, 709.
For OBC, 2870.
For SC, 20,944.
For ST, 38,798.
Doctor of Medicine in Dermatology.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 5402.
For EWS, 181.
For OBC, 2070.
For SC, 22,541.
For ST, 43,552.
Doctor of Medicine in Pediatrics.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 5995.
For OBC, 4,549. For SC, 25,006.
For ST, 38,647.
Doctor of Medicine in Emergency Medicine.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 7,140.
For ST, 52,230. Doctor of Medicine in Respiratory Medicine.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 8,044.
For OBC, 4,488.
For SC, 25,765.
For ST, 44,669. Master of Surgery in Orthopedics.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 8,767.
For OBC, 6,677. For SC, 26,905.
For ST, 45,978.
Master of Surgery in Obstetrics and Gynecology.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 9,740.
For OBC, 9,234.
For SC, 29,843.
For ST, 49,278. Master of Surgery in General Surgery.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 10,378.
For OBC, 8,376.
For SC, 30,255.
For ST, 54,561. Doctor of Medicine in Sports Medicine.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 11,005.
For OBC, 5,358. Master of Surgery in Ophthalmology.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 12,892.
For OBC, 8,843.
For SC, 33,425.
For ST, 56,886. Doctor of Medicine in Psychiatry.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 13,693.
For EWS, 11,172.
For OBC, 12,822.
For SC, 33,241. For ST, 60,606. Master of Surgery in ENT.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is
15,516.
for OBC, 14,753.
For SC, 33,770.
For ST, 57,809.
Doctor of Medicine in Radiotherapy.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 18,548.
For OBC, 10,428.
For SC, 37,943.
For ST, 65,105. Doctor of Medicine in Anesthesiology.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 19,272.
For OBC, 15,452.
For SC, 37,204.
For ST, 59,727. Doctor of Medicine in Transfusion Medicine.
For general category, the last rank cutoff is 24,594.
For OBC, 21,242. For SC, 37,470. For ST, 65,947. Doctor of Medicine in Family Medicine. For SC, 21,462.
What are MyRank services?
Our registered customers will receive regular notification updates through SMS, email or by call,
So that you will never miss any notification details. We will help you with all type of counseling related information like
form filling,
document uploading,
college selection at the time of web options.
top to bottom college-wise priority will be provided to students based on your score.
Which helps you getting a seat in the reputed college,
All India quota,
deemed universities,
state-wise convener quota
management quota.
and NRI quota.
Cutoff will be given to the students
Certificates
and bond related information.
will be provided well in advance.
This will help you at the time of reporting in the college.
College fee structure,
Bonds
seat matrix,
also be provided to you.
all over India, management and
NRI quota admissions will be provided by MyRank.
based on your budget. For details regarding management and NRI quota admission, please contact 99855 06668.
For any other details, simply visit us at MyRank or call us. We will help you in application and counseling process.
Like,
Share,
subscribe to MyRank Education.
press the bell icon for instant notification.
Thank you for watching this video.